Traxxas RC cars are ideal for beginners due to their durability, ease of use, and impressive performance. These models feature robust construction and reliable components, making them perfect for newcomers who want a hassle-free experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Traxxas RC cars for beginners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Traxxas SL110 RTR short course truck stands out as a top choice for beginners, merging durability, high performance, and pure fun. Featuring a robust 3300 kV brushless motor and reliable BL2S electronic speed control, this truck is ready for any challenge, even in wet conditions. Its water-resistant electronics ensure uninterrupted excitement regardless of the weather. With a modular tub chassis and fully independent suspension supported by heavy-duty steel turnbuckles, it offers precise control and stability. The powerful BL2S 3300 kV brushless motor, paired with the Traxxas Magnum 272 transmission, delivers thrilling speed and power. Heavy-duty drive shafts provide reliable power transfer for an exhilarating ride every time. The Slash's clipless body, secured by robust latches, is designed to withstand tough action and offers quick access to the chassis. Its hidden latching system eliminates the need for body clips, using reinforced panels to prevent damage. This thoughtful design ensures both durability and convenience. With a top speed of over 35 miles per hour, the Traxxas Slash offers intense short-course racing excitement. Fully assembled and ready to race, it features adjustable steel turnbuckles, a hardened steel gear transmission, and a waterproof electronic speed control with multiple driving profiles. The Traxxas Stampede 4x4 BL2S brushless 1/10 RTR monster truck is an excellent choice for anyone seeking exhilarating RC bashing action. This high-performance monster truck comes equipped with the advanced Traxxas BL2S 2S motor and ESC system, designed to deliver extreme power and durability. Its full-time four-wheel drive chassis allows it to conquer virtually any terrain with ease, making it perfect for off-road adventures. The BL2S power system is not only powerful but also efficient, offering extended runtime. With its built-in cooling fan and high-speed bearings, this monster truck can achieve incredible speed and acceleration, effortlessly hitting the whole shot on two wheels. The included TQ transmitter ensures a reliable connection with ample range, keeping the fun going no matter where you take it. For proper monster truck bashing, the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 is outfitted with a beefy drivetrain and durable links. The drivetrain is supported by large shocks and bolstered by the Extreme Heavy-Duty Upgrade Kit, which replaces key components with more robust alternatives for enhanced durability and strength. The clipless body mounting system allows for quick and secure attachment of the body, providing a precise fit every time. Additionally, an internal body cage reinforces the Lexan body, offering extra protection during rollovers. Key features include a 4x4 drivetrain for superior traction, large 5.3-inch tires pre-mounted on gray wheels for stability, a potent 2S brushless ESC for smooth power delivery, and a high-performance brushless motor for top-tier performance. The metal gear differentials ensure reliability under extreme conditions, while the Extreme Heavy-Duty Upgrade Kit and clipless body mounting system add to the truck's overall durability and ease of use. The Traxxas TRX 4 Sport 1/10 High Trail Edition RC Crawler epitomizes the fusion of scale realism and robust off-road capability. This model is engineered for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and striking aesthetics. It boasts a factory-installed long-arm lift kit that elevates the truck over an inch compared to the standard TRX 4 Sport, delivering superior ground clearance and rugged adventure-ready capability. Equipped with portal axles, this edition further enhances its off-road prowess by increasing ground clearance and minimizing torque twists, ensuring the truck maintains its course over challenging terrain. The 110mm extended aluminum GTS shocks, which are 20mm longer than standard, provide silky smooth damping, essential for traversing rough trails. Oversized Canyon trail tires mounted on 2.2-inch wheels feature aggressive lugs and foam inserts, delivering excellent grip and trail performance. The TRX4 Sports High Trail Edition also includes the Traxxas clipless body mounting system, which secures the truck's body with an integrated quick-release mechanism, enhancing its scale appearance while simplifying maintenance. The detailed body features an Expedition roof rack, snorkel, side mirrors, traction boards, fire extinguisher, jack, and fuel canisters, adding to its authentic look. The trail-tuned XL5 HV waterproof electronic speed control accommodates 3S LiPo batteries, delivering powerful, efficient performance. The Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL stands out as a top choice for beginners seeking an exceptional RC experience. Its cutting-edge design includes a clipless body mounting system for quick and easy access, complemented by reinforced components and an aerodynamic body. The truck's rugged construction, featuring a reinforced inner cage and external rollover protection, ensures long-lasting durability, while all-terrain tires deliver superb grip on various surfaces. The Rustler 4x4 VXL boasts a low CG chassis that enhances handling and stability at high speeds. Its modular composite tub and latching battery hold-down simplify maintenance and battery swaps. The robust Maxx duty drive shafts, sealed steel gear differentials, and heavy-duty slipper clutch with aluminum pads contribute to reliable power delivery and performance. Adjustable suspension links and oil-filled ultra shocks enhance its versatility, making it suitable for both rough trails and fast tracks. Powered by Traxxas Velenion brushless motor and VXL 3S waterproof ESC, the Rustler 4x4 VXL offers impressive speed and acceleration. Its advanced Velenion motor, equipped with high-temperature magnets and efficient ball bearings, provides exceptional power. The Traxxas Stability Management System ensures superior control, while the TQI 2.4 GHz radio system delivers precise, responsive handling. The Traxxas Max 1/10 Brushless RTR 4WD monster truck, equipped with the Wide Max kit, is a pinnacle of RC truck design and performance, especially suited for those seeking durability and superior handling. This model features an advanced chassis that integrates the Wide Max suspension kit, widening the truck by 1.57 inches to significantly enhance stability and control. The Sledgehammer tires, with their open block design, are engineered to handle muddy and uneven surfaces with exceptional traction, ensuring reliable performance across a variety of terrains. Traxxas has meticulously redesigned the Maxx chassis to support larger and more powerful batteries, contributing to its impressive durability and power. The truck's extended chassis allows for the use of larger 4S LiPo batteries, which, when combined with optional gearing, can achieve speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour. This makes the Maxx not only fast, but also versatile for different driving styles. Additional features of the Traxxas Max include a refined shock tower design, a full-length motor cradle for improved stability, and an updated clipless body mount system for quick one-handed installation and removal. The Maxx's modular chassis and GT Max aluminum shocks enhance its ruggedness, while the waterproof construction ensures resilience in adverse conditions. The truck also boasts full contact sealed bearings, an aluminum splined drive shaft, and steel gear differentials, all contributing to its extreme duty performance. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.